Truck and Toy, and we're back again with more product breakdown, product reviews and shop talk. Today we're going to be doing some amp research PowerStep on this F-150. We're going to go through the installation process, quick little views of where we're at, what we do, and then the final product. Stay with us. Here we've got our parts laid out and ready for installation, as well as our steps. Here we have our uninstalled wiring harness laid out. The goal is to hide this as if it were a factory with the vehicle. Checking clearance, make sure everything fits nice and snug, no problems. Amp research steps are triggered from the OBD plug, which requires running a wire into the cab. Our final installation under the hood wiring again appears as if it were factory. Here we've got our finished product. Steps essentially totally hidden, out of the way, no bumps, no bruises. Kick right down. You've got a nice LED light that illuminates on both front and rear steps. Super clean, super classy. And then when you're finished, they just suck up right out of the way like they were never there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the products you see or products that we install, stop by or give us a call. We're homegrown, we're locally owned.